Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem there, right about that S. Put one finger in there and then push it left. That's gonna unlatch a secondary latch right there. That's how it works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod from right there and then put it in that slot right over there, and then lower the hood a little bit to secure it, and that is looking good. Now once the hood is open, that right there's the engine air filter box. All we have to do is undo two clips. The first one is right over there. Just grab the clip and pull it back. The second one is right there. Pull it back as well. Now we have to lift up this cover, but for that we have to make sure those two tabs 1 and 2 over there, they slide out of the slots. For that, try lifting up the cover from that corner there. That should help you slide those tabs out of the slots. See, this one is off, 1 and 2. Now if you want, you can take this connector for the airflow sensor off. It's optional. Just press it right there on the top and gently slide it off of the sensor. This just gives you more space to lift up the cover. Makes life easier. Again, it's optional. Now lift up the cover and grab the filter and it just comes right out. There you go. This is the top side, this is the bottom side, the dirty side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Get the new filter and put it right back in there. Now this is the tricky part. You have to get those two tabs in those slots. This is where you have to be patient. Get one and then the second one in there. 1 and 2, they're both in there. That's it, the hard part is done. Now just put those clips back on, 1 and 2. And now if you did undo that electrical connector, just put it back on the sensor and push it down and click it. Make sure it clicks on, and that's it. Now to close the hood, just first push on the hood to take the load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.